Morning! Boy, you're hungry. Good morning. I have food here for you, but you will eat down, okay? Come, let's go down. So go and eat downstairs. Go, come here. Follow me. Go, baby. Come. Go. Step on your foot. Yella, go down. You will go down. You will eat down. Come. Come. Black. Let's go. Come. Go down. Go down. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Ah, they're here. Take care. Ay, gutom-gutom ng mga kuting na ito. Hello. Yan, dito kayo kakain. May nagbigay naman sa'yo ng pagkain kagabi ah. So guys, there are people give them food yesterday. Ayan, may food sila. Ah, may food naman kayo. Gutom pa rin kayo, ha? May food naman kayo. Come. Okay, come here. Kain na kayo, kain na. Guys, they're eating now. Mother Kitty, go and eat na, Mother Kitty. Don't worry. Want me to give you some. Blackie, kamalis daw eh. Blackie, let's eat. Let Mother Kitty eat. Mother Kitty, eat your food. Blackie, it's not yours. Blackie. Blackie, don't take it for her. Blackie is taking the mother cat food. Blackie, don't take your food. Come here, Blackie. I will give you. Bro, binigay din niya kay Blackie. Papa, bait naman ni Mother Cat. Binigay niya kay Blackie. Guys, nakakain sila, guys. Pinayabayaan lang nila yung food na soft food para sa mga kittens. Di nila kinain. Morning! Uy, yung mga mata nila, guys. Open na yung mata. Ano si Oreo? Oreo. Gusto yung mata mo, Oreo? Ang cute. Ang cute ng Oreo. Guys, open na yung mga mata. Yan si Oreo. Kukunin ko yan. Ipapasok ko siya sa bahay. Ang cute. Hello. Ang cute ng mga kuting. Another ginger cat, guys. Ang cute, guys. Another ginger. Tas Oreo. Tas tilapia. Cute nila. Ang cute. So guys, may tatlong kittens dito. Tas may tatlong maliliit. Ano yung gagawin ko dito? Naisip ko ipakapoy sila ng mga female cats. Para hindi sila talagang mag-multiply. Sana may mag-sponsor. Hindi ko lang alam itong mga kittens anong gender nila. Tingnan nga natin. Ano kayang gender nito mga kitty? Tingnan. Tingnan nga, Miming. Female ka. Ito. Oh, ito male ata ito. Sige na, eat your food na. Bye na. Bye na mga kitty.